Hi, today we're looking into course registration form. This is a simple form which has been created with Notion to help you keep track of all the course registrations that are happening for your institution. So in this registration form, you can see we have got first name, middle name, last name, the date of birth, the gender, the address, the student details, and other records that is relevant, the company if they are working in a company, and the courses that are available for them, and any additional comments. You can edit these details as you duplicate this particular template. So if you see, we have got a form builder and responses section. So once you duplicate this onto your workspace, you can go ahead and edit all the information that you can see over here as per your convenience. Now, once everything is done, you can click on this share form and you can click on copy form link and simply paste that over here in a new tab, and you will able to see that form popping up. So you can put it anywhere, wherever you want for the user to make the entries in the form. And we're going to quickly save one form detail as we have entered over here. So I'm going to click on submit, and it is going to save all these form details in my responses, as you can see. So it has saved all these details over here and everything has been captured. So this is how you can quickly use this course registration form and start capturing the details of the applicants who are going to register for any particular courses. Besides this, I also want to highlight about a new tool, that is PDF Output. PDF Output helps you generate PDF documents in bulk utilizing Google Document as a template, and it works with Notion database or even Google Sheet that holds the data for the template. So you can quickly create a new document in Google Docs, and you can replace the elements in the Google Doc which keep on repeating for every PDF document with the help of a Google Sheet or a Notion database. And you can start generating documents in bulk. For this, I've added a demonstration video both for Notion as well as Sheets. So you can check the video as per your convenience, and you can start generating PDF documents in bulk as per the requirement. Let me know how you found everything helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at notion for my use at the rate gmail.com. That is where I will be able to assist you, and I'll help you further on this. Thank you. Have a great day.